precision, and presence, the Excel X2 GT Spec, 2028. Buckle up as we explore this aggressive yet refined beast from every angle. Starting from the front, the Excel X2 GT Spec commands attention with its wide, sculpted grille featuring chrome-lined vents and adaptive airflow panels that adjust based on speed. The laser-cut LED headlights seamlessly blend into the aerodynamic contours, while the carbon fiber lower splitter and angular air scoops give it an aggressive motorsport-inspired stance. Every line on the hood has a purpose: cooling, aerodynamics, and bold aesthetics, merging function with form in a head-turning way. Move to the back, the performance DNA of the GT Spec becomes even more obvious. A razor-sharp spoiler hugs the rear edge, optimizing downforce without overdoing the look. The LED taillights stretch across the width in a single dynamic beam, and the quad exhausts embedded in a titanium diffuser setup growl with intent even at idle. There's nothing subtle about the rear, it's made to intimidate, impress, and inspire. Shifting to the right side, the coupe-style silhouette merges with four frameless doors, hugging the ground with its low-slung GT suspension. The 21-inch forged alloy wheels with red calipers peek through the aggressive arches, and the flush door handles glide out on approach like something out of a sci-fi film. The flowing side profile is clean yet muscular, hinting at the sheer speed hiding underneath the skin. Step inside and the dashboard welcomes you with a dual-display cockpit, a 14.5-inch curved OLED panel for the driver and a floating 12-inch touchscreen for infotainment. The dashboard is wrapped in Alcantara and brushed aluminum, with ambient lighting that adjusts with drive mode. Every switch and dial has a weighty, premium feel. This cabin is built for both thrill and comfort. Slide into the front seats and you're greeted by deeply bolstered GT Sport seats finished in Napa leather with red contrast stitching and carbon fiber backing. With integrated cooling, heating, and massage functions, long rides feel like short bursts of pleasure. The driving position is low and commanding, just how a GT car should be. In the rear, the back seats don't compromise on comfort either. Designed with contoured side support and angled for relaxation, they feature built-in infotainment screens and extendable leg rests, perfect for when you're not the one behind the wheel. And now, the heart of the beast, the engine room. Pop the hood, and you'll find a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 with hybrid assist, pushing out a monstrous 720 horsepower. It's mated to a 9-speed dual-clutch transmission and an intelligent AWD system, capable of rocketing the X2 GT Spec from 0 to 100 km/h in just